and then get kind of screwed over by the community when they start getting pissed off. But since these guys knocked out the big shit first, little shit will come in time, and that's no problem. So them actually being able to achieve what they say they're doing, already having it done, so they can honestly say, yeah, it
Yeah, I
works
mean,
this way.
we didn't build the features first. We built the infrastructure, and that's a really good
Yeah.
great point. We built the infrastructure, so we can now build the features that we want to build and the players I want to see. We can now build them with not necessarily relative ease, but we can do it knowing that if something breaks, we can always revert, and it's not going to be broken on the revert.
Oh wow, this is the first time I'm seeing the whole mining system. That's nice.
Yeah.
You torch the
Also,
ground. I like how that works.
yeah, it's like a laser drill.
It
Yeah,
looked like a minigun, but then I realized, oh,
yeah what was I gonna say? I'm still waking up. uh, Something with the game about never mind, I lost it.
so this is like Space Engineers meets Planet Explorers. Is actually the feel I'm getting now watching this video.
Oh,
Like those giants walking around really reminds me of one of the first things I saw on Planet Explorers.
yeah,
And their walk is kind of funny.
galaxies.
I I like it, and but obviously they're gonna do some improvement. But them just boom boom. I think it's cool though.
The galaxies. When I wanted this game and first started talking about it, letting everybody know about it, they didn't even have the galaxies part in the video yet. I noticed they edited that onto the end.
I wasn't aware
And
that they had anything about galaxies.
yeah, you can. There's like 7 to 8 planets per galaxy. They say, and you can travel in between the galaxies, which I didn't even know. I thought it was just going to be a certain number of planets in just one area that you can switch to. And then they, I keep going back and watching the video, and because we can't play the game yet, and that's when I seen the addition to the end of the video. They put it in a couple of months ago, and then all of a sudden they show the universe and different places you can go in the universe. It's like, okay, that just got a whole lot cooler.
Yeah, I'm at the randomly generated planets part of the video. I've never seen any of this particular video though. I'd only seen that one that we just watched before, the reentry, and that's all it took to sell me. But now I'm seeing so much more here. Yeah, this is looking really good.
And just to go along with that, the alpha we have 3 planets, a moon, and a asteroid field that we've generated so far. Um,
Okay.
and a lot of the planets that you see on the first video, I don't even know what happened to them.
They were just tests.
Developers could be they could have been early tests, or developers have just kind of only showed me of a little bit, just a little bit of the first 3 planets, and they probably have the rest just on lockaway for a few more months.
Hmm.
But yeah, I mean, you're not. The stuff that we see right now is literally just the beginning of what the game is going to become.
Yeah. Well, that's really cool. And these guys, oh wow, they're like almost zombie-like vampire. I don't know what they were. Zombie, vampire, crazy
There's
things.
Yeah, there's AI on all the different AI on the planets and stuff.
Huh.
Right now, the AI is basic, but we are
Yeah.
hopefully we plan to expand it so that it they seem more they have a lot more characteristics to each other or for each of them. But the AI system is very good. And the thing that is that we're using the Unity engine.
Oh wow, there's the galaxy map.
Yep,
Oh shit.
yep. And since the
Oh
Unity
shit.
5 upgrade, I've seen the pictures they've been posting, and yeah, it's looking a lot better. The water looks pretty cool.
Okay,
Yeah,
they've shifted it to Unity 5. Awesome. Well, that's yeah. No, I'm
Yeah, that's the part we never seen before was that galaxy map, and they added that a few months ago. And I was just watching a video and I was like, oh, it's done. I got ready to click it for it to shut down, and then it's like, wait a minute, there's more. And I sat back and yeah,
AFK dinner.
okay.
I,
I forgot about that stuff right there.
The galaxy.
Well, I knew that they had a galaxy map system, but I forgot. You know, we don't. I don't. I didn't get to see that stuff.
Ah,
So, so
ah.
because I'm an ex-developer here, so I had to leave. I left at an somewhat early stage.
Okay, you're not still with the
I've
project?
well, I came back as a developer, not a developer, a tester now. I'm checking for bugs
Okay.
and helping with the game balancing for the first half. Ugly alien right there.
Yeah.
So yeah. But yeah, I just forgot that we really have been building it big on.
Oh, so
It's gonna
awesome.
be big.
When it launches and we find a bug, then we can pull you in here and yell at you because you're the tester. You're supposed to
I
find all that stuff.
So,
I
okay,
don't
here's some water.
really. I did put the asterisk in there. Well, not the asterisk. But I said almost.
No, you were.
I said
we, we,
almost.
we have a physical punching bag now. Thrasher, get in here. We
Well,
got something
actually,
to tell you.
I
What the hell
kinda-
is this?
Yeah,
well,
so.
I'm coming here and hit the mute button for a few minutes. I'll come in here, hit the few minutes, and then come back and say you're done. I didn't hear any of it. I'll start over.
Yeah, I've been telling a lot of people. I bring it up in Steam all the time, or in Twitch all the time, while he's streaming. People start talking about other games, and I was
That's
like, "Have you seen Empyrean?" And they're like, "What's that?" And then here's the link. And
Yeah, nobody's really heard of it much. I'm gonna go on ahead and actually let me drop full screen for a second, and I'm gonna add that to Scarbot because it's we're gonna be playing this a lot, and I want to make sure that we can actually have a command for that.
Cool, cool.
ah. Oh, hey, Scar.
Yeah.
One of the things they fixed in Ark that they didn't have when they released it was the piranhas. There were supposed to be more in the rivers,
Oh,
and there was a bug with them. Now it looks cool as hell. I was
there's
down the
two.
river.
Oh, there's a lot of piranhas in there.
Yeah, I was down the river from SK, and he stepped into the water, right into the water's edge, and it was so cool because they were jumping out of the water at him all over him. It was hilarious. Big old freaking piranhas.
Command is gonna be EMP.
Yeah. Well, I've actually been seeing people call it EGS, Imperial Galactic Survival. So EGS or EMP is what the short name for the game is right now.
Ithu, you're gonna be typing it more than anybody. What do you want it to be?
EMP's fine.
Yeah, whichever you guys prefer.
As long as it doesn't, the EMP command does not set off an electromagnetic pulse, we're good. We don't need Scarbot shutting itself down.
You
Well.
Scarbot.
Depends. Maybe the game comes up and it'll shut you down and it'll be like, "Yep, no bugs. See, can't see anything." But yeah, it's gonna. I can't wait. I'd love to. I'll probably come in here and I'll just be watching you guys play the game and be like leaning back here. Yep. No bugs. Okay, I need to start harping on that, or you guys are gonna really lane to me.
Oh, you know the fun's gonna ensue when we encounter
We're gonna be bug hunting now.
On the hunt. Hey guys, come over here. Look at this. It's really cool. Screw you. I'm looking for bugs. What is there?
Yeah.
All right, so there is the link.
We're gonna go find the core of the world. See what's in there. There's rumors something about a coffee cup somewhere. I'm
A
not saying
coffee
that,
cup?
anything else.
Need to find us a coffee cup. All right. All right. Well, yeah, that's looking good. Now I didn't get around to playing Ruse earlier like I had intended. I want to play some 7 Days to Die. Let's see what's going on down below. Okay, Ion and SK are down in the ARC channel, so I'm going to assume that they actually got it working. Oh, Ion just popped
I'm in
up.
ARC right now.
You're in
so
ARC. You're in the server? Okay.
Yeah.
Ion, are you in there?
Iron's in a windstorm.
Yeah, Ion's mic has been messed up. He was fine at the beginning of the day, and then this is the second time it's been. That time it was windy and far away. Last time it was just far away.
Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna head off. Probably find more bugs, make sure that there's nothing, you know.
Yep.
Alright, see you guys later.
You gonna take
Next
our
time, man.
ammo away? What?
Yeah, I'm gonna take all of it.
Oh yeah. Any chance of getting the Scarbot suit in SE updated?
And no,
I'm
it's
just
impossible.
I'm just messing with you.
Because they added the
The bone structure, yeah, the new bone changes.
They added DX11 and the bone structure.
Mhm.
You now have to create 5 textures per model,
Mm.
per mesh, per astronaut, and then of course there's the new astronaut model. In fact, I can pull up a picture of what I wanted to eventually bring to the game. 1 second.
Yeah, I knew I was just messing with you, but I would like to get it done, and I mean I'm sure that it's possible. It's just yes, it's going to be a lot of work, and you know I'd like to do it myself. I just haven't had any time.
Yeah. Well,
Maybe you could point me in the right direction of what I need to do.
It's probably very similar to what it was before. The other issue was that they had, instead of all the modding information, instead of it being with the regular files, you have to download an SDK or basically a master file
Mhm.
to the game. And that's, I don't know, it's their system has changed. I can't say that it's improved,
Yeah.
but the way you mod now is much changed. So I'm out of practice.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, they do have the modding SDK, and that's I played with it briefly, but I didn't get very far on there. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, now this is what you're planning on doing.
This was another attempt at what I was planning on doing. Yeah.
Okay, and this is before they made the change, though.
This was after.
This was after. Okay, so you
And
started in on
I've
it.
literally been trying to crack down on the code. Yeah, basically because I like to use Blender for modeling, and
I'm a Blender guy.
yeah, and they use Autodesk,
Mhm.
and so yes, Blender exports in FBXs, but for whatever reason they just don't like to work with each other. Space engineers.
Yeah, there's two
Blender-
different exports
I know
that and
ASCII and
Mhm.
binary, but neither works. There's huge lines of code you have to write in. That
It used to
It
work.
just gets complicated. It
Yeah, it
used
used
to
to.
work.
They've added in some
then-
crap.
Well, and again, it's just because Space Engineers is so buggy, you can't tell whether or not it's this line of code or that line of code. If it's Space Engineers' fault, if it's Blender had a bug, you know.
Yeah.
You know. There's
And
so many
now throw
factors.
medieval into the mix, and they're just basically they've got one big pool of code for both of them, and like so if you're playing medieval, or if my definitely for the server hosting, it's crazy. Travis is my server host, and he's like trying to make it work, and he's trying to get a medieval engineer server up, and there's so much code he has to comment out manually. And it's up to the server host to do this apparently. When it's all Space Engineers code that's inside of Medieval Engineers.
Yeah.
Halo. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. I don't know. I really don't know what I want to play next.
All right, guys. Well, I'm off. See you guys later.
Have a good
All
one.
right, catch you later. Dinosaur poo.
I think I'm gonna save Ark for a little bit later. I do want to play it, but I don't want to jump right into that right now. I was gonna play Ruse, 7 Days to Die, and KSP. Those are all things I want to do. What else we got going on here? Close all those.
Oh, Rex just crapped out of Volkswagen.